Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So you guys, I got FabFitFun in the mail today and I am so freaking excited. This literally is my favorite subscription box that I do have. I do have a couple, but I want to say FabFitFun is my favorite of all time. It is, I think they rose the prices. I think it's almost $60 now for like every 3 months. Is it every 3 months? I believe so. It's every season. So it's winter, spring, summer, fall, and you do get to pick 6 items if you are an annual subscription, or you can pay season to season. It's completely up to you. I highly recommend doing the annual one because you do get first pick before everyone else does, and then you do get it a little bit faster. I live near like literally the next city over the FabFitFun headquarters is at, so that's why I usually do get it like a lot sooner than everyone else does. But I am so freaking excited. I kind of remember what I got. I remember I got a pillow and I got some, I think I got a shampoo or something. But other than that, I don't remember what I got. So without further ado, let's see what I got in my FabFitFun box. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Look at how big this is. I literally don't know where to put it. So it's like right in front of me. So I hope no one minds, but it's on my table. Because I don't know where else I can put it. I think I might put it on the floor and then just start grabbing this stuff. So yeah, let's get into this video. If you guys do like unboxings, I do have a lot of unboxings on this channel. I do have clothing hauls, makeup tutorials, a little bit of vlogs here and there sprinkled around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. It really does help out my channel out, and then it helps other YouTubers know that, hey, you guys like this channel. Maybe you'll like it too. Like I like it, maybe you'll like it, you know? It really does help me out more than you know. And click that little notification bell so you guys be notified of all my future uploads. And let's get into FabFitFun Winter Edition of 2022. Okay. It's like a building, you know? FabFitFun. It's a building. It's so cute. Do you guys hear all this stuff rattling? Maybe I should not do that. Look, there's buildings on the side. Look, and it has a tree. This is a really adorable box. Like, I think I'm gonna reuse this as a Christmas gift to someone. They're probably gonna be like not as excited because it's not FabFitFun, but I think it's gonna be like a really good reusable box. So I already cut the little slit to make it easier for everyone. And there you go. Yep, there it is. Fun. It does give the magazine of everything you could have gotten. It has a lot of junk in here, and then there's my box. I think I'm gonna put it down on the ground. Item number 1 was a pillow by Unhide in Silver Fox. Retailed for $55. It's supposed to be $15, whatever crap. MSRP is $55. It is a 10 by 18. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. So here's the pillow. I think I got this one in gray. Yes, it's gray. And then I added on the beige one for $15 because I was like, I kind of want 2. I don't know if I should get it in both colors, but when you do have a subscription with FabFitFun, and I think regular members too, you can always add on additional products if you want for an extra cost. And it was $15, and I was like, I'm gonna get a cool pillow because I always get every single season. I've been unboxing this for a couple years now on my channel. I always get the Unhide blankets, and I freaking love them. I have like one in my closet as a backup. I have one on my bed right now, and they are so soft and delicious and delicate. It's literally like the softest material you have ever felt. It's a cute little, just a cute little pillow to put on your bed. And this is the gray one, and it's really soft. Like, these are my types of things. It's gonna be like a really cute decoration piece. It still has a zipper. Yes, it does. So it still has a zipper, so you can go ahead and wash it, which is pretty cool because I hate when you get throw pillows and you can't wash them, and then you have to put the whole thing in the washer, and then it just becomes a mess. I hate that. So I did get an extra one for $15 as a beige one, and I think I like the beige one better. I kind of wish I got them both in beige. I feel like the beige one looks a lot fluffier too. Man, I think I messed up. I should have got both of them in beige. That would have been nice. And it has a zipper too, but now I got 2 pillows for my bed, and I am excited, and I don't know. I'm gonna put these over here. Well, I don't remember all the choices, and I am so sorry. This was like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago that I did all this. I don't even remember what I ate yesterday, so I'm not gonna remember the choices from 2 weeks ago. I am so sorry. But this is a rolling pin. My mom has been wanting one of these like for a while. Every time we go to the store, she's like, hey, can you like see if you have any rolling pins anywhere? She doesn't like huge rolling pins, and this one's pretty big, but it is metal and it has the wood at the end. But I'm hoping she likes this because she doesn't have one currently, and she loves to make like tortillas, you know, and bread and stuff. So I'm hoping she likes it. This is retailed for $32. If you wanted to add it on, it'll be an extra $15. This was the second choice, or I added it on. I don't remember. No, this was not. No. This was my second choice. I remember now. This is a 17" by 2" by 2" your collection of kitchen tools with this rolling pin from Short Stories. I believe we'll be using this to make everything from homemade cinnamon rolls to pies. It's just like a silver rolling pin. It's really pretty. So, oh, that hurts. You can really like hit someone, like if you have an intruder, and hopefully you never do have an intruder in the house. But if someone's misbehaving, you know, it's a really good weapon right there. My third item that I got is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant Long-Term Lip Plumper. Can you believe I never have tried this lip plumper by Too Faced? I know this is like a cult favorite and a lot of people love this. I just have never gotten the chance around to try it. I actually usually just wear the Heat by Fenty Beauty or the ones by e.l.f., the lip plumpers by e.l.f. because they're really good, super affordable. I think they do plump. I really like the Heat. I heard this one is super intense though. Just like a clear gloss, as you can tell. And I think it has like chili extract. It smells like cherries. And that's usually what makes your lips plump. So I'm wondering if it would work with my lipstick on top. Should I try it? If not, it just makes a pretty clear gloss anyways. I feel it on my lips. It like tingles my lips a little bit. And I heard this is like super intense. It says 93% said lips look fuller, more plump. I feel it. Holy crap. It burns. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It burns. This was $29, and I have seen this at Sephora for $29. Or you could have added it on for 12 bucks if you wanted to get something else. Cruelty-free, 0.14 ounces, and the tingling lasts 5 to 10 minutes. This is very intense actually. It does feel like little needles are poking you like everywhere. And my lips look a lot plumper, especially right here. Holy crap, this hurts. I think I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I ate a lot of chilies and stuff. I'll be good. It's not that crazy. It's just uncomfortable. I did add on, wait, did I add those on? Yes, I did. With that one, they also had slippers, and I didn't know what to choose. The third selection, you can also get slippers. So I just added these on, and these cost me $12, and they are retailed for $39.95. Lies, they're not $39.95. They're more like 12 bucks. You can honestly find really good slippers on Amazon, like super cheap. Medium large, women's 8-9. I wanted them a little bit bigger. I'm a size like 7.5, but I did want them a little bit bigger, especially since they're slippers. They usually run small. And it is micro suede and faux fur, 100% man-made fabric, 100% polyester, 100% thermoplastic rubber, whatever the hell that means. But sure, I just care if they feel comfy. Don't smell weird. That's all I care about. Feel comfy, don't smell weird. They look like they have a little bit of grip, so you're not gonna slip and fall everywhere. They don't smell weird. They smell fine. Because you know when you get those shoes and they smell like plastic and you're like, oh hell no. These smell good. And they're really comfy, really fluffy. Like right now my slippers, oh my god. You see they're kind of dirty. Yeah, so I obviously needed new slippers. Yeah, I got slippers. Okay, the next item I got was this. This is the Truffle mask infused with black truffle extract. I think it's just, oh, okay. This is a hair mask. It says, apply generously unwashed hair, massage into hair with ends for 3 minutes and rinse well. I am running out of my hair mask, which is going to come in very handy. $30 MSRP. You could, if you wanted to add it on and you wanted to get something else, it is $8. And it is a luscious sponge sugar scent with black truffle beads with burst with vitamins and antioxidants. Good for all hair types. It has black truffle extract, shea butter, keratin, and it's cruelty free. My lips are burning like crazy. This is a lot more intense than the Fenty Heat. The Fenty Heat is it burns, but this is like intense. Like look at how big my lips look right now. They look huge. Like literally huge. These were not this big earlier. Do you think they were this big earlier? I don't think so. But yeah, so that was that. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. It smells like powdery fresh in a way. That's as best as I could describe it. It smells good. I don't know what else to say, but it smells good. I like it. Then I added on the Laneige lip mask. I have one of these by my bed and I put it on every single night. It smells like pineapples. It smells so freaking good. It is so luscious. Mine is at the halfway point, but it looks like this. It's just like a balm, but it kind of like plumps your lips overnight, so when you wake up, like, you don't have any lines anymore on your lips. It's really like it's a really good lip mask. That's all I can say. And then it, like, you see this cool little design right here? This is actually a spatula, and then you grab it. So you grab the product in it and then you put it on your lips like that, versus you always constantly putting your finger. And then I wipe this off and then I put it back in. And then it's a cool little spatula, and then I always have it by my nightstand, and then every single night. So I always put that. I put my Huda Beauty thick moisturizer on. I put this on, and that's how I sleep. That's my nighttime routine, and I freaking love this. And I bought this full price a couple months ago at Sephora. I don't think I did a Sephora haul for that one. It was just like a random Sephora run that I went to, and I freaking bought this because I got a little sample from Sephora, and it was amazing. I'm telling you, if you have not tried Laneige lip products and you want to try at least one thing, try this lip treatment, overnight lip treatment, because it is literally amazing. If you like the smell of pineapples, you're gonna love this because it literally smells like piña colada. It was the Laneige lip balm treatment. I did buy it for $25 at Sephora when I bought it myself. I added on as an extra for $12, and it says good for all skin types, and it has coconut oil. So there you go. Item number 5 is insert name here, Quick Slick Flyaway Hair Essence. This is basically like kind of like a hair mascara, but it's clear and it keeps all your flyaways just put. I got this once in a BoxyCharm, and I think I'm almost out of mine, so I'm really excited that I got this. Fun fact, I did add it onto one of my Ipsy boxes and it never came, and I couldn't find the receipt to complain, so I don't know what to do, and it's been months now. But I'm kind of sad because I already bought one of these for like an extra dollar amount, but I'm glad it's in here. And I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna keep the one that I have. I don't want it to dry out, but it's like a hair gel, like a mascara hair gel. Whenever you have flyaways, like, I know my hair is kind of crazy right now, I kind of just threw it up really fast. You just comb your flyaways or your edges, and you lay down your edges, and it stays, you know, it stays, and it's really good, and it lasts all day. It doesn't leave, you know, like hairspray leaves a residue, like a clear white residue the next day. It does not leave a residue the next day. It literally like looks like clean hair the next day. Like, it's kind of crazy. Insert name here is the brand. This is called the Quick Slick. Okay, and the last and 6th final item, which I think I'm more excited, other than the pillows, I think I'm more excited about this, is the Ouai Detox Shampoo with the scalp massager. I want to check out the scalp massager first because I have one from Amazon for like $5. I want to see how different this is. It looks the same. It looks the same from Amazon. Yeah, it's just like a little, I like the color though. So it's like a peachy color scalp massager, and you just go like that with your hair. A shampoo or conditioner, I preferably don't do it with shampoo unless I really like have really dirty hair, then I'll scrape it with shampoo. But I like to do it with my conditioner to massage it in my hair. I like to do it better with conditioner. And this is the Detox Shampoo by Ouai. I have been wanting to try Ouai Beauty, and I have not because it is so expensive. It is pricey at Sephora, like very pricey. It's closed, so let me go ahead and open it. And this says, been on a dry shampoo binge, time for a detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities. Also removes buildup from styling products or hard water deposits, leaves hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your fresh start. See you next week. It smells really good. It smells very familiar. Kind of smells like a body. Oh, it smells like a face wash. Is it a face wash? It smells like the Neutrogena morning face wash, the one with the orange little beads. That's what this smells like. But I'm not mad at it because I like that scent. And then it has a little top where you can pop it open, so you can go ahead and squeeze out your bottle. It's a luxurious looking champagne gold bottle. It's very aesthetically pleasing, which I like, and I heard it's a really good brand, and I heard it's like Really good for your hair too, like clean products, really good. For all hair types, detox shampoo. I'm gonna use it when I don't wash my hair so much, and I do use a lot of dry shampoo, so I'm gonna get, and I do use a lot of hairspray too. I'm gonna get use out of this, and I'm really excited because it's literally like 40 bucks. Like this is $40, so. You can do some add-ons, which I do every single, they didn't give us not. So they usually throw in stickers and like Hello Fresh stuff and wine cellar stuff, like all these like paper crap, and you're like, bruh, can you not give me more paper crap? I'm not gonna use it, just don't throw it in there. It's really annoying. So you can always do additional add-ons, like they're called subscription refills, something like that. And I always get the Baroggio Farewell Frizz because this is an amazing balm when you are blow drying your hair. Or I like to, when my hair is dry and I have a bunch of like little frizzes, I just grab a little bit, either put it to the ends or put it like on the top to smooth down the frizzes, and it works really good and it smells amazing. And then I get the Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. This is probably one of the best cleansers in my opinion on the market. It leaves your skin super clean and fresh, and all the gunk comes out, and it makes your skin supple and soft, and it helped clear up my acne. And it is very pricey at Sephora. I think it's like $29, $30 something. I think I get it for $9 every quarter, so every season, and it usually lasts me throughout the season because I do try out face washes with all the samples that I get, so I usually do try it out. But this, I still go back to this, and this is still my favorite of how it leaves my skin just moisturized, supple, all the gunk out. It feels clean, like it feels good, so I really like it. And yeah, that was my box. I am really excited. My tingling went away completely, so I don't feel anything anymore, so that is. There's like a wolf howling outside my door. Okay, I think that was a coyote. No, that wasn't a coyote, that was a dog. But the coyotes are out too right now. It's kind of crazy outside. Anyways, thank you so much for coming. I really do hope you guys like this unboxing of FabFitFun. I love these boxes so much. I always think they're worth the money that you get for, I think it's like $50, $60. I don't know exactly. I'll put up the price right here of how much box is going for this season. And you save a lot of money, honestly. Like, I really think you do. Like, I know for a fact this is almost $30, this lip plumper by Too Faced. It's almost like 30 bucks in itself. That's like half the box. This is another half of the box. Like this would have been 60 bucks at Sephora easily. And I got, you know, a rolling pin. I got pillows. I got hair oil gel crap. I got a hair mask. Like, you get a lot of stuff, so I think it's worth it. I will leave my link down below in the description box if you are interested in signing up with FabFitFun. And if you do, I think I get like money that I can shop in the shops. That's all I get. I just want to be transparent. Literally all I get. I don't get like a commission. It's literally like, hey, here's $5 so you can go shop in our shop at FabFitFun, which I occasionally do because their prices are great. And yeah, thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this box. Did you guys like it? Did you get things similar to me? Let me know down below in the comments. If you just want to chit chat, go ahead and throw in any questions that you want, and I'll love to chit chat with you guys. My Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. This is my TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click that little notification bell before you guys leave so you guys can be notified of all of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.